Hello everybody, my name is Neacsu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to blur the background. This thing. Let's get started. Shop! So, this is the background that I want to blur, and I've chosen this subject to show you that depth of field that is creating when you have a focused subject and a blurred background. Photographers use this effect natural in their photos, but you can replicate it in Photoshop artificially. And let me show you how to do that. Before I start, I want to hide this layer, and I will make the background layer a smart object, and then I will go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. You can choose the intensity of the blur. You can go from 0 to hero. No, you can choose the intensity of the blur, and for this particular image I think it's around 4.5 pixels. I'll hit OK, and because I've already converted into smart object, I can turn off the filter and also change the intensity without destroying the image. Let's see how it looks. I think it's perfect. So this is how you blur the background. My favorite types of blur are the Gaussian blur and the motion blur. Let me show you how the motion blur works. You can choose the direction of the motion and again the intensity. Okay, and this will create another effect. Now I can switch between the blurs, or I can also combine them. This is the power of smart object. I'll make this smaller, and this is how you blur the background. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. My name is Neacsu. See you next time. Shop! Oh, I almost forgot. Please comment down below what do you think about this tutorial, and let me know what do you want to learn next. Neacsu